Wait till you guys see what I caught it on. Or I haven't caught it yet. Going for a run.
Did you lose it?
No.
Okay.
This is just crazy, that's all. Can I get the net anyway?
Sure.
It's right just behind you. You should be able to reach. Can you reach?
Okay, I can't film in reach.
Okay, hold on. Let me get it.
Can you do both?
Yeah. This is a nice fish.
Oh,
There you go. Weekend fishing. Look what I caught him on. The spoon. Can you see that? Can you see the spoon?
let's zoom in.
The spoon. Actually, we got lots of food, hey? Do you want to keep them or put them back?
Maybe we should keep him.
Let's check the length.
I'll stop recording here. Okay.